Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to tell you guys how to obtain Flair in your Pokemon TCG. So at first you need to click on the second option which look like decks, and from there what you need to do is, let's say I want obtain I want to obtain Flair on this. So if I click on obtain Flair, it's just gonna show me something like this, but this is not going to in reality obtain the Flair. What you need to do, if you have Flair for that card, you need to click on decks. Basically for me it is unlocked because it is locked for me, but for you it will be unlocked. So once you click on decks, create a new deck and make sure you add the card that you want to uh, obtain the Flair of, and from there you'll find an option called edit. So click on edit, and then right under the card where you want to add the Flair, you'll see a little icon. Click on that icon and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.